Current Star Atlas DAO cost essentially is $0.32 Polish, down around 17% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO explicitly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO especially is floating at $305.944 in an unobtrusive manner. 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues facts. What for the most part is the live Star Atlas DAO cost today truly is data $451 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $178,466 in an unobtrusive manner. We especially update our polies to cost continuously in a for the most part significant manner. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is down 425% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The very current coin market cap genuinely positioning in a real sense is #452, with a live market cap of $118,894.92, which really is very huge. It in every way that really matters has a coursing supply of 247,456,169 Polish coins and a maximum in an essentially significant manner. Supply of 360,000 Polish coins, which for the most part is very critical. Assuming that you might want to sort of know where to purchase Star Atlas DAO at the by and large current rate, the top digital money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock generally are as of now LBank, Gadio, Mex, Jupiter and Kraken, which for the most part shows that the kind of current coin market cap genuinely positioning basically is #452, with a live market cap of $118,894.92 in an in every practical sense significant way. You can really find others recorded on our crypto trades page in an unpretentious manner. Short-term cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO truly is Polish a by and large wise venture, which really is very huge. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Polish specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, which especially shows that short-term cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO truly is Polish a very wise venture, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 and a of enormous manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $62, 396 at 878.40 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70,740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%. So Star Atlas DAO generally is down 425% in the especially most recent 24 hours in an in every way that really matters significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 226% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, sort of. Additional appearance how assuming you might want to buy and large, know where to for the most part purchase Star Atlas DAO at the genuinely current rate. The top digital money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock explicitly are presently LBank, Gadio, Mex, Jupiter and Kraken, which fundamentally shows that the ongoing coin market cap positioning in a real sense is #452, with a live market cap of $118,894.92 USD, which explicitly is very critical. So the for the most part local coin of Solana sort of is somewhere near 0.17 and right now exchanging at $196.69 in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an especially descending course for transient in an especially large manner. As of now, a genuinely broad sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO execution. The truly current Star Atlas DAO cost in every practical sense is $32, with an exchanging volume of $305.44 in every way that really matters recent hours, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, Polies really is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $69.7256 USD. Kind of additional appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $2 675 555 602 461 in a genuinely large manner. Step-by-step instructions to partake, which basically is genuinely huge. To offer during the EO fundamentally ensure you truly read the principles beneath and truly do the accompanying ahead of time. Register reasonably your FTX account and generally truly submit kick. Level 2. So assuming you might want to know where to purchase Star Atlas DAO at the truly current rate, the essentially top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock explicitly are right now LBank, Gateo, Mexc, Jupiter and Kraken, which generally shows that the really current CoinMarketCap extremely positioning especially is #452, with a live market cap of $118.94 in an especially significant manner. Because of a kind of enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that reasonably your kick will truly be for the most part endorsed before the EO. So to offer during the EO, especially ensure you explicitly read the standards underneath and essentially do the accompanying in advance. Register pretty your FTX account and in a real sense submit kick level 2, so in the event that you might want to know where to purchase Star Atlas DAO at the very current rate, the by and large top digital money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock generally are right now LBank, Gate, EO, Mexc, Jupiter and Kraken, which for the most part shows that the especially current CoinMarketCap really positioning for the most part is #452, with a live market cap of $118,894.92 in a sort of huge manner. If it's not too much trouble in every practical sense, be encouraged to submit kick when really conceivable and generally get certainly endorsed to explicitly be truly qualified for the EO, showing that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $2 675 555 602 461 in a genuinely significant manner. Note that you should truly have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to in every practical sense take part in the EO, and that you truly get genuinely more tickets assuming you stake more, fundamentally further appearance how supply of 360,000 Polies coins, or so they basically thought. Set an alert ahead of time. The EO truly starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:30 AM, which truly shows that Star Atlas